Let's start our tutorial today. First, you open Photoshop. And then click on File, New. You need to put in the name, example of the logo, width in pixel, height. The background use transparent. Okay. So example, I put drag this logo maker. Okay. If you want to change the blue color, the background, I can just magic walk tool. Just click. So you will auto select. Right click. I will copy another layer. So now I have two layers here. So for this layer, I will change the color to red color. Right click. Painting option. Color red. Okay. Okay. So now another one, the inside. So I need to select the main object. Auto select. Layer 1 copy. Here another layer. So I change it to red color. Okay. And the blue color, I change it to green. I use the magic again. Okay. Layer will copy. Then this layer, I just change the color to yellow or green. Okay. First, we have to select the main object. The brush have the magic wand tools or quick selection tools. You can select one by one. Like okay. The effect also is the same. Okay. We can set it. Deselect. That's all tutorial for the Magic Plus. Thank you for watching.